Here we are, testing my in-laws furnace. See, checking flame sensor, 4.3. Here's our gas furnace. Got a gas pressure, about 4 inches. Checking draft. See what's set up here. I installed a post purge timer for the inducer motor for 2 minutes. Got a barometric damper with spill switch. See that right there. Got our combustion test, draft test. See draft. Right at -0.02. Combustion test. I think I'll leave it right there. Pretty safe. Also note the flue temp. It was a little low, but this unit's in an attic, so you're bringing in about 40-degree air right now for combustion. There's your nice pretty blue flame that everyone talks about. Don't ever adjust by a pretty blue flame. Always use an analyzer. And that's about it. Let's see, I have all the tags from previous things that I've done. There's last year's.